going on, guys? It's CHG Arctic Wolf here with a video, and I know I haven't done any videos in a long time, and I do apologize for that. A lot of stuff has been going on. A lot of new things have been going on, I should say. The biggest thing is, I know people who have played on the server, if you notice, you haven't been able to join in the last month or so. That is because after an update, it broke a couple things, so I made the ultimate decision to shut it down completely and focus on doing a complete revamp of the entire add-on. And that's what's been going on recently. Those of you in the Discord, you've been seeing what's going on. Those of you not in the Discord, I highly recommend becoming part of the Discord so you can follow along and know where things at. But in this video, I am going to be going over a lot of things that have been going on and show you the progress that has been made up to this point. Now, as you can see, I am currently on the Season 2 world, where I've been doing a lot of the testing and things like that. And as you can see, on the screen, we do have a sidebar there that is fully functional. That'll show you, the icon for the Pokemon and level, HP, stuff like that. So first thing I'm going to go and show you, I'm going to go through each of the different things. So right now I'm going to go in and just go ahead and capture this Eradicate. Now this menu will change its design. It will look better in the long run, but this was just for testing purposes. We're just going to go right away and, just throw a Master Ball at it and catch it. It's going to catch it. Let's go after the Snorlax over here. Let's get this big bad boy since he spawned too. And as you can see, their stats there are actually game accurate. They are what they're supposed to be, been verified by several different statistical sites to make sure that they're accurate. All the formulas are good. You will have your IVs, EVs, natures, and things like that. So let's get this shiny Pidgeot as well. Capture this, and then we will go right to the PC. So we've got a couple. There we go. They're all caught. So let's head over to the PC and show you that aspect of it. So we're going to hop in right here. We're going to go to the PC. You're going to walk up to this PC. And one of the cool things is you're going to be not only be able to view your team, you're going to be able to release your Pokemon, but you're also going to be able to search for Pokemon. So we're just going to go right to the team. Right now I have nothing on my team. So you're going to see you can pick a slot. So I'm going to go to slot 1. Now you're going to be prompted with either searching a Pokemon by name, or you could even search by generation. Now if you go by search by name, you don't have to search by the name. You could just click submit, and then it will show you every single Pokemon that you had. Now to keep it simple, keep it more uniform, less cluttered, every single Pokemon you catch of a certain type will be under an individual menu. So every Pidgeot you catch will be underneath, the Pidgeot icon. Every Snorlax you catch will be under the Snorlax icon, and so on and so forth. So we'll just show you that. So we're going to set Pidgeot to the team. So it's telling me I got a level 46 Pidgeot that's shiny. Going to click A on that, and as you can see, it shows the level, growth, nature, Dynamax level, it's been traded, and all of its stats. So we're going to add that to the team, and we're going to do the same thing with Snorlax. We're going to throw that on the team as well. And boom, just like that. So we have Pidgeot and Snorlax on our team. And that will work with the summoning. Everything else, like I said, will level up, and which is another thing that will show. So I'll grab the rare candies right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to summon Snorlax and just level them up a little bit. So we're going to go into our Pokemon and bring out our Snorlax. And right there's our chunky boy. So we're going to use the rare candies. And as you can see, he's leveling up. And the stats are changing in real time as he levels up. So we're just going to take him up to level 20 and call it a day. But as you can see, everything's improving. And like I said, real-time stats, accurate formulas. So you're going to be getting the right stats with the Pokemon. So let's just keep taking him up and just put him to 20. Now, the sidebar does show it's a little bit behind, but when I go to return them, you're going to see that it is going to put it to where it's supposed to be. So as you can see, it took it up to the 97. So right now, I took Snorlax to level 20. So that's a huge step in the right direction of where I've been wanting to go with the add-on for a long time. I've had some very talented people come on board and help and take over that aspect of the scripting so you can have these kinds of features. Now, there is also trading that has been added, which functions similar. If you played the Season 1, it functions very similar to how it did in Season 1, but this time instead of the items, it'll actually swap the Pokemon as you wouldn't expect them to. So I'll go in here, it's going to tell me there's not enough players on, but it'll prompt you with the menu, and you can actually trade the Pokemon. Now what's cool is, when you go to trade it, there will actually be trade evolutions considered. This one's a little different, nothing major. So let's say for an example, you go to trade an Onyx with somebody. Once you trade it, you can then evolve it. So I'm just going to grab a Spearow and show you the evolution. So we're going to catch this guy, and then we're going to go and add him to the team and show you the evolution screen. So let's get him in the ball. I know it's kind of cheating to use Master Balls. Currently, the battle script is being constructed. It's at a good point right now for the PvP. Next, we're going to be moving on to the AI battles with the Wild and the Trainer. So again, we're going to go to our team, choose slot 3, and throw on the Spearow. Okay, so that's on our team. Let's head outside. Let's pop the menu open. And summon the Spearow. Let's get him to level 20. And then we'll evolve him. So now he's level 20. So the nice thing about this, I chose to go with the Legends Arceus evolution method. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring Spearow back. And now we are going to run the team command. Now this command currently right now only controls the evolution. In the next update of it, it will allow you to select moves for the Pokemon to learn. So we're going to go to team. It's going to say to close the UI. It's going to then open it up for us. Let's get this going. Okay, so it's being a little wonky on us. Give me a second here. Let me figure out what's going on. Let's remove these guys from the team. Let's swap out this. Let's go in, grab Spearow, set him to the team. Let's run the command again. There we go. So now it's prompting us. It's got the little red exclamation point next to Spearow. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to tell me that I meet the requirements for it to evolve. So I'm going to go ahead and hit evolve, and right there it evolved it and now is a Fearow. So that is how evolution is going to work. So I'm going to show you something like Eevee. So I'm going to just summon a wild Eevee. Okay, and I'm going to click it, bag, Pokeballs, and Master Ball it. And I caught it. So let's go add Eevee to our team and then show you how stone evolutions work. So we're going to go in, search for Pokemon. We're going to go into our team. Choose Eevee. And set that to our team. Okay, so we have that there. So now I am going to just give myself a Thunderstone. Okay, so now I'm going to open up the team menu again. And it's going to prompt me with the Eevee, and it's going to tell me, okay, you want to evolve Eevee? You have the Thunderstone in your offhand. Evolve it. It's going to now become Jolteon and take the item from me. Same concept will work with Pokemon that will evolve in day and night. It's going to prompt you. It's going to tell you, hey, it is nighttime, or hey, it's daytime. You can evolve it. With the trade evolutions, what's going to happen is you were going to trade it, and then you were going to have the item in your hand just like a normal evolution when you go to evolve it. So instead of it taking the item from the other person to evolve it, it is going to be in your hand for that stuff. So things like Scizor, Steelix, and different things in nature that require that, you will need the item then to evolve it afterwards. They're just getting the method that, hey, it was a traded one, so you can evolve it now. Little thing we're going to show with the menu as well. We're not going to do an actual battle because it is, again, it's an early stage, but it is moving along, so no point in showing something that's incomplete. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to bring out Jolteon. I know he's a little big. Model will get fixed in that aspect. So we go to moves, and it's actually going to show you different moves. Now, depending on the Pokemon and what level you catch it at, will actually determine the moves that it'll have when it spawns. So it's randomized based on its level. So with the level 15 Spearow that's over here, whatever levels it would learn between 1 and 15, it'll randomize those and pick those moves. If it doesn't have 4 moves, then it'll only learn what is available. But if it has more than 4, it will randomize it. But like I said, it's become a massive overhaul. And like I said, that was the main reason for shutting the server down, because I wanted to focus on updating it rather than constantly trying to patch previous code that was ultimately just becoming outdated. So, but overall, it is moving in a much better direction than what I wanted. And it is looking to be the next level in Pixelmon experience for my project as a whole. I know you guys, probably a lot of you play some other ones out there. but I do hope you give mine a chance and enjoy it, and come and join me in the Discord with a lot of other people that enjoy Pixelmon as well. But that's going to be it for this video. I will post more as more things go on. I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one.